Hi guys, it's me MB Sounds. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach you guys how to apply chords in worship and other piano tutorials. So today I'll be sharing with you guys how to apply the 3-6-2 progression in simple worship. Please, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down there to get the channel going. Thank you. Okay guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to apply the 3-6-2 progression in worship. So please guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to get this channel going. I'm on the key of F sharp. So I will show you the 3-6-2 progression now. Which is normally when using this progression, you are allowed to use it with your fifth. After playing it like this, then you move to your fifth, then to your one. Okay, now the first song I'll be doing is a very simple song. You are the only living God. You are the only living God. Yes, you are. Let me apply the 3-6-2. You are the only living God. Yes, you are. 3-6-2. The normal progression is you are the only living God. Yes, you are. Which is your 1, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. But if you want to add the 3-6-2, it will sound like this. You are the only living God. Yes, you are. We praise you. We praise you. Just like that. Now I will show you guys how to apply it in another song. Another simple. Now the second song. Let me use this song. We normally sing in church. Worthy, worthy is the Lamb. Worthy, worthy is the Lamb. Worthy, worthy is the Lamb. Worthy, worthy is the Lamb that was slain. Praise Him, hallelujah. Praise Him, hallelujah. Okay, worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. Now look at the way I use it in this song. Worthy is the Lamb. But then I was going to the 4. Worthy. When I was going to the 4, that was when I used it. 3-6-2, 5, and the 1. Worthy, just pay close attention. Worthy is the Lamb. Worthy, 3-6-2, 5, 1. Naturally, you can add the 5 and the 1. So worthy is the Lamb. Worthy is the Lamb. So pray. Let's go to that part. Praise Him, hallelujah. Praise Him, hallelujah. Okay, the third song is a popular song. Dancing is my soul, my Savior God to Thee. How great how great was playing this song. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. Then I did it 362. 362 5. How great thou. So that's how you actually see it. Anywhere you want to go to the 4, you can just ship in the 362, add it with your 5, then to your 1, which is. So that's it, guys. I have to use the 362 progression. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to support this channel. God bless you.